Gagi, narugya ngamin eh. Tinag-live eh. Hindi ko naman pwede i-stop. Dapat garot gifters kon friend. Ala, wala na. Ali is gone. Ali didn't came back now. Have you met Ali, Ziloy? Also, hello, princess. So you're now part of the alien family. The aliens, you're now the aliens. Are you proud to be one of the aliens now? We are the aliens family. You're now part of the fam, Ziloy. Part of the aliens. Hello, ano yan? Sexy something. Hi, Big Brown Chocolate. When did you join the aliens? Hello, Lek. Sawadik ka. Apain batin manon, boy. Tuno agibi dito yeta ubing gaga ka. Thank you, Lek. Kamsamada. Ay, kapon ka pala. Hello, Samu 123. Hello, Andoy. No, I'm not talking to you, Big Brown. I was asking Ziloy. Hello, Nathan, because he's part of the alien family. Thank you, Nathan. Hi, Kuya Bob. He's now an alien. Are you proud to be an alien? Gago, alien kasi siya. Talaga? Di mo pag meriendaon nga, Rod friend? Hi, Easy Feelings. Mano?
1-8.
Wait, guys. Awang baryam? Hi, Mr. Ramon. Ready? Yes, I'm ready. Charis. I'm ready. Kasi wala naman kasi si Ali eh. Para sana may PK. Ay, wait. I'll invite Ate Softy, guys. Have you met Ate Softy? Wow! First time natin Cheers! Ate Softy!
Hi!
Pagdali na abutan kita!
Buti na lang!
Meet Ate Softy, guys.
Kakabalik
Meet
ko
Ate
lang.
Softy.
Kakabalik ko lang.
Oh my God!
Wow, meron kang ano dyan na kay Phoenix. Ang laki naman yan. Para namang ano yan, walang kalahati.
Umaapoy ako.
Hoy, kulang na lang ako siya.
Umaapoy na ako, guys.
Sabihin mo nga 1-1 na lang, Sky.
Hi, Banani! Thank you so much! Guys, can you help my ate, She's my ate Softy, guys. She's part of the alien. Wow!
Ang galing naman. Shala. Ibang ano yan? Ibang lahi yan? Young blood. Opo.
Kuya! Hindi, Kuya Angel, mag-aambag ka pa rin sa akin. Thank you! Alam mo, Kuya Angel, magbayad ka pa rin ng utang mo sa akin.
Baka naman, kulang na lang ako. Onting-onti na lang. Onting tumbling na lang.
Guys, can you help Ate Softy too? She's a newbie and she badly need help for her.
Nakikuha ng ano.
Yes, don't worry.
Tulong
Kasi
kay
lang,
Akbar. Oo nga, kahit ngayon eh, no?
Oy, Kuya Angel! Hindi pwede, Kuya Angel! Tignan mo, kulang ko, 10K pa, Kuya Angel.
Kanina ka pa, si Sky.
Yes! I've been here on my life since earlier.
Wow, grabe yan.
Guys, help me out. Kuya
Walang
Angel,
lowbat.
gilded,
Baka naman
Kuya
patulong.
Angel.
Baka naman patulong na
Thank
over
you.
naman ako dyan.
Diloy, have you met Ate Softy? She's part of the alien family.
Nabigla
So we
naman
are
ako
all
dyan. Hi, Lynn. Kakabalik ko lang eh. Galing akong labas. Ano ba yan? Sabay binungad sa akin.
Grabe, nag-live agad. Thank you, Kuya Angel. Nanalo ba?
Thank you.
Nanalo?
Panalo ka.
Paano yun? Di ba ba yun?
1-1 na lang
Thank you.
kulang. Hi.
Thank you, Kuya Angel. Huwag kayo mag-alala, mabait yan si Ate Softy. Ate Softy.
I'm her ate. Grabe naman. Nabigla ako doon.
Thank you, guys.
Jay, hi
Thank you.
there. Thank you, Angel.
Ilan pa kulang mo for your quota, ate?
1-1. 1-1 na lang. 1-1.
Oh, one
Oo.
word, guys. Pautang.
Ilang ano ba yun?
Hello, Marin. Thank you, Ziloy.
Ilang ano ba yung peg na yun?
Thank you, Ziloy, for the bells. Is that your favorite gift, Ziloy? Thank you, Ziloy.
Yeah, sabi,
Can you
ginaling
my
na talaga
auntie Sophie
eh.
too, guys? She's a good friend of mine. She's a good friend of mine. 10K pa ako, guys.
Naman.
Thank
Ilang
you.
ano ba yun? Hi, Herbie.
10K
Ilang...
for my, guys. For
Ah.
my goal. For my goal. Wala kang masasend ng Arena Queen.
Kahit
Thank
yung
you,
ano lang
Zilon.
mo. Kahit yung mapapit lang. Hi.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ziloy.
Ang husay eh.